Hey, hello guys. Today we are going to see one of the exciting topic related to the agents. So we are going to talk about the N8N, where how we can generate the workflow for the AI agent, how we can create the agents, as well as how we can create the calling agents. So the process is very simple. Just need to focus on some basic things, and then we can easily create the multiple workflows and multiple agents for our business or for our client perspectives. So let's get started. First of all, you just simple need to go N8N accounts, and they give a 7-day free trial. So once you will land on this website, then you can simply sign up and get started there, just providing your username, like company email, where you can put accounts once you will sign up. So definitely I am already signed up, so it will land me on my workspace, right? Can go and import the file, like we can import any JSON files, and also we can add the workflow and node inside our uh, AI agent. So let me explain about this idea, where it will take the data and then it will go to the OpenAI and simple do some basic thing. Let me just explain. So once you will click on it, like this OpenAI node, then it will open, and when you will add this node or import this node, then definitely this will not be added. And there is the option like you can claim 100 credits for OpenAI, free 100 credits. So once you will claim, then it will automatically credential. Otherwise, you can set your own API key from the OpenAI, right? So the resources will be like text. So you can set like the it's as assistant, as an image, and anything else what actually you needed. And the operation, you can set the message model, and you can set the model which you are going to use. So in my case, I'm going to use GPT-4 or mini, and you can write the prompt like this one, as uh, as as depend your workflow or your agent, and as well as you can like define the role, and also the prompt for the role as well. This will be the system role, and simply you can on this option as well as this JSON option. So once you will add, then it will prepare the data for you, and after this you can see the another node. If you want to add one more node, then definitely you can click open here, and then you can search any type of node, and you can definitely add any node in your workflow. So this is the basically a AI agent calling workflow, where it will take the data like the phone numbers and the other information from the Google Sheet, and then OpenAI prepared a script for this workflow, and then it pass to the Vapi. Here we are using the Vapi, which is using for agent calling, as well as we are using the Twilio for transfer the calling. So you can see here we are providing the phone number, assistant ID, and the customer number, as well as we can hit the Vapi API. So you can api.vapi.ai/call, and you can set this method post and the set header using field authorization barrier, and you can provide the token. You can get this token from the Vapi dashboard. So once you will complete this flow, then it will wait and call our agent. Once it will call, then it will provide a one transcript URL, as well as the recording URL. So we can give this URL to the OpenAI, then OpenAI process all this data, and then it will clean this data, and then we can store um, what information our agent get from the client, and all the information will be stored in the Google Sheet. So like this way we can create a different flow and different like agents in the N8N account, as well as I told before, we can simply import the workflow, which should be in JSON. Like someone or some your team members send you the JSON file, then you can import and just configure your setting. If you need like add any other node, just simple click here and you can search any type of node. Like if you need a OpenAI nodes, then you can like simply type and search the OpenAI, and it will provide a OpenAI chat model node. So these are the basic things, like how you can set the workflow and the agent on the N8N account. Hope so you get the um, basic idea about the N8N account and the workflow, how you can set up the workflow and the agent on it. Thank you.